Chandu, what are you doing for him? Huh? Going to where? Wait for your daddy. You know that? Huh? Shanza, what are you doing?
Guys, come here.
Huh?
It's on the ground. Yeah. Mommy.
Huh?
It's on the ground.
Huh?
It's on the ground.
You sit on the ground, but you don't bring the chair. The pink chair, you sit on the car. You stay on the car. If you bring that one, so you have a space to sit down. You forget it, right? Right? Right?
Daddy drive.
Huh?
Daddy drive.
Where is your daddy?
Go home.
Daddy go home. Without us. Candy, what should we do? Daddy go home. He went home without us.
Have fun.
Have fun? So how can we go home? We should walk. Should we walk this way or that way? Do you know the way to go home?
That way.
Tell me. That way? Do you think so? No, if we walk that way, we'll see the Como Zoo only. Como Zoo is right
Then
there.
let's go to the Como Zoo.
So we don't go home?
Yeah. We go there, and then when we're all done and we want to go home, instead we go to Como Zoo.
Nếu từ hôm mẹ to chị nó. Mẹ, go lá chưa? What is in your hand? Baby, why you look so
You
tired?
look so mad.
Why? Cái tôi có lúc bí sao? Nên bling nước bí tôi thế sao?
Roosevelt, why are you sitting on the ground?
Chả có rổ còn à? Hả? You want to sit down? Sáng không bỏ cái daddy lo cái đi. Is that your daddy? There. A guy is walking there. Not your dad? Right there. And
That is not that.
that is not that?
Where?
Huh?
Maybe where?
Oh, okay. Daddy go there? Daddy go there? Oh. Jeng, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why? Too far.
I'm tired, Mom.
When we got there, you should not run anywhere. You will be lost, okay? Mấy cái tôi chưa có lúc phòng cái thì tôi phòng không mà mình nè.
No, I didn't bring it.
Why?
You're full of it. Go find the Como Zoo. No. Don't go by yourself. Yeah, remember you just want to go on the bee ride so bad.
Yeah, and you lost, and you are that time you only like muscle age. You are muscle age, and when we found you, you already go 2 times in the bee ride.
You told me that.
When we found her, she already went 2 times.
You told me that.
And you lost, and you go to the bee ride.
Mom, let's go.
Huh?
Can you tell me that?
And somebody found her, and somebody told us.
Mom,
Hmm?
can you
And
pretend
they let her go to the bee ride 2 times for free. And that time she was like muscle age. How you do that? You don't know that time? You don't know that time? You
Mom.
go to the bee
Mom.
ride? Huh?
Can you pretend that someone was her mother? So she can go on.
Really?
She told me that.
But that time she was only 2.
No.
Yeah.
This is an airplane.
No. Arrogant.
What is he doing?
Shazat, don't touch it. Is your daddy coming? Is that the one running there? Is your daddy? The one is running and running.
Oh no. No. Dad never runs.
There, look at that.
No, that's not Dad.
The one running there. Running in there. Huh?